Another video. Okay, we're playing Train Taxi. I'm sorry I haven't posted in a while. It's just Labor Day threw me off, man. Like I was gonna post on Labor Day, but then I'm like, oh, it's Labor Day. I don't have to because nobody works on Labor Day. Apparently, I want. Oh, and then like the rest of the week, I'm like, oh, I'm sorry. I'm gonna post today, but then I end up not posting. Procrastination. Oh, also today was a birthday party. So okay, so we're playing Train Taxi, and so basically what you have to do is you have to collect everything. Everybody. You gotta be nice to the people, okay? You gotta collect them. And I did it. It's like Snake. It's like Snake, but with people. Yeet. I'm gonna go this way. I'm gonna go this way. I'm gonna go this way. And then I'm gonna go get this way. You're welcome, people. Like the game? No, thank you. I'm not gonna rate you right now. So I'm gonna go down this way, and then this way. Sweet key. Then I'm gonna go this way. 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 Boom! Ain't that a stinker? I'm kidding. I'm not Bugs Bunny. Stop kicking my seat, fool. Stop. Thank you. It's just to be kicking my seat. Like, girl, shut up. Stop it. Seriously, Coda, stop. Bruh. I'm kidding. Bro. Oh, for a second I thought I was gonna mess up there. I'm like, no. Up, boo. Bee. I got a song stuck in my head. And I got y'all. Could have seriously stopped.
Oh, you stop it.
I'm not even kicking it.
I don't get.
Meow, 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 meow. Meow, meow, I'm a cow. I said, meow, meow, I'm a cow. Copyrighted. Yeet.
Yeah, boy, you're gonna get copyrighted if you keep
on. I don't know what I'm gonna play next. It took me forever to find this game. I'm just like, okay, fine, I'm gonna get Train Taxi because why not? So I got it. And I'm just like, finally. So I got it, and I'm just like, finally a game I can play. Woo! 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 Got y'all. You're welcome. Now pay up. Oh, you don't want to pay? Well, too freaking bad. By the way, it was raining here earlier, and I'm just like, so weird. I love rain.
I can smell rain from a mile away.
What? So now I gotta go up this way, and this way, and then this way, and blah, blah, blah.
Get all the people.
Yes, I got all the people, Coda. You're welcome.
Yay.
Oh my. I think I might play that next, because that looks hard, and I want to play. Alright, the other day, this kid in my class, he decided to tell a teacher that he dreamt about him, that he was in his dream, and I'm just like, kid, you done messed up, because the rule in middle school is you never tell someone that they were in your dream, because that means that you like them, or something like that, in middle school terms. What's in the chest jam? Best reward is that I got 50 whatever coins.
Whoa.
How do I go back? How do I go back? Choose a chest. Do I choose all? I'm confuzzled. No thanks.
Confuzzled.
I can say confuzzled if I want.
No, you can't.
Yes, I can.
That's your pain.
I'm confused. What's so challenging about that game? I really do not understand. I'm confuzzled.
Confused.
Confuzzled.
Confused.
Confuzzled. Confuzzled.
Confuzzled.
Yes, confuzzled.
Confused.
Confuzzled.
Confused.
Confuzzled. I just messed up here. Oh boy.
It's the freaking confused, Kylie. It's the freaking
It is the confuzzled.
It is the cum of the fuse.
Oh my god, Coda, are you kidding?
Yes. I mean, no.
Okay, maybe this one
It
next.
is the cum of the used.
Level 5? I could probably beat that easily.
Sure.
It's true. Not like you could.
Do it, then beat it.
I will tomorrow. Maybe the day after tomorrow.
So on Monday,
Yes.
I'm gonna ask Grandma, can you text Mommy
Bah, bah,
so I
bah.
can go in for Kylie?
See if you could what for
Go
Kylie?
in for Kylie
No,
and
you
get
may
her a
not.
gift.
No. Your mom has already said no.
That I can go in for Kylie, not
She
myself.
said no when you asked her that before she left the car. She said no.
If I can go in.
You already asked
Oof.
her. And she said no.
To get myself something.
No, you asked her, can I go in for Kylie? And she said no.
I did not say
Yes,
that.
you did.
Boom, boom. Boom, boom. Got you in my room. Boom, 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 boom. I want you in my room. Let's spend the night together from now until forever. Oh. No, I don't want to play this game. Wow, you suck. No. Boop, boop, boop,
I'm
boop.
confused.
The night begins to shine. The night begins to shine.
The
Oh,
night
no!
begins to shine.
The night begins to shine. When we're dancing, the night begins to shine. I'm not gonna sing. When I look at you, I see the star in your eyes. When we're dancing, the night begins to shine. Boop, 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 ba-doop, boop. So we got you all. I only died once. Glee, glee, glee. Glee, glee, glee. Khalifa.
Lucifer.
Yes, Lucifer. Got y'all.
Oh.
No, I'm not going to go into the gold mine. If I get one more chest, that's when I'm going to the chest room. Oh my, you best hurry up. Yeah.
Where is it gonna be?
Bye. Oh, I'm not done yet. How
Where
come
are
I'm
you
not
at?
done? Wow. No, I'm not going to drive for you and get stuck in your lazy business of scam. I keep thinking I'm getting a notification, but no, I'm not that popular yet.
Oh, really? Not that popular.
No,
All your friends were laughing with you.
that doesn't mean I'm popular. No, it doesn't. You were laughing with your friend. Try it for free. Is that Pikachu? Pikachu! Pika! Pika! Pikachu! Pikachu! Pika Pika! Pika! Pikachu! Are you a Pokemon? Because I want a Pikachu. Dang. Talking dirty. Oh no, I should probably go down and not up. Because that would be very bad if I went down. I'm trying to get these people over here. Like, y'all, get into my train.
Get into my zone.
No, I'm not going to go to the VIP membership. Let me see my trains. I want to see my trains. I don't have any other trains. Are you kidding me? Once I get like 250 coins, I'm going to definitely go back to my trains and I'm going to get trains. Hey, so I can go to... Oh boy. I almost chose the wrong thing. So let me go to the chest room now. Boop, 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 boop. Watch add and get 3 keys. No please. No thanks. New chain unlocked. Okay. That looks like a cool thing. I want a random train. Cool. I like that one.
When are they going to be back? I don't know.
Oh boy.
So
D.
you paint these?
Yes.
Who boy?
Oh,
And you can wash them. Yeah. And you can wash them and then like you repaint them.
What did Elizabeth get me anything?
Yeah.
What did she get? I forgot. I don't think she got me anything. Oh wow. I don't care.
Well, I mean, she said that she got a gift for you and me.
maybe Kylie's is the slime then.
What?
Maybe Kylie's present from her was the slime.
No.
No.
That was mine.
The huge slime thing?
Yeah. Of which your mom probably won't let you have.
That was from Aubrey.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Sorry. Which I still don't think mom will let you have.
Alright, I think I might end the video here. Okay, so if you liked the video, make sure to like and subscribe. And I hope you guys have a good time. Goodbye and yeet.